So,
All right, so now we hit the road here. Like fine. So this will starting out first gear. We'll go through the. No speedometer. I'm going to guess we're at about 30 right now. There's fourth, fifth, accelerate fifth nicely. I think I'll be driving around in fifth quite a bit because it to crest the hills and do all everything used to do in third better than third. So once again, I'm expecting really good gas mileage too with this setup, and I barely have my foot in it. So we're gonna go down, turn around, and then we'll go back up to the shop and basically be done with it at that point. But I just thought like here's a pretty good hill here, and we're in overdrive, and
earthworks is working up here.
okay, and I can accelerate up this hill, but we have to be prepared to stop. We'll do that if necessary. All right, we'll catch you back here later.